Hello, I'm Tim Morissette, and welcome to our new listing in the city of Lake Forest. This property is in a community called The Oaks. And the wonderful thing about this house, it's a single-story home with a master bedroom with an attached office that looks out into the street. This community is part of the Sun and Sail Club, where it offers multiple swimming pools, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a clubhouse, and even a lake that you can go fishing in. Let's go ahead and check out the inside of the property. A unique feature of this wonderful kitchen is that the sellers added a skylight, and in this breakfast nook area, this used to be an atrium. This is a great feature for this property. Ready to make an offer? Come to our open house this weekend where I'm serving tacos and margaritas. Take care, be safe.